Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made these customizable gift bags. Now, this is a little bit different from the other video with the gift bags because that one just showed the front label. This one is going to be a gift bag where you can actually customize all four sides. So it'll be the front, the back, and both of the sides. Now, I got this idea from another YouTuber. It looked so great, so I thought I would give it a try. The difference with this one is that my printer broke, so instead of using glossy paper, we're going to print from CVS. So if you want to see how I do this, stay tuned. Okay, so the first step is to make sure that you have your gift bag. For this one, I'm using the large white gift bags. The measurement is 7 by 10. That's for the front and back of the bag, and then for the side of the bag it's going to be 5 by 10. So even though it says $1 here on the website, make sure you go into your local Walmart because I was able to grab the 3-count gift bag for 75 cents, so that made it 25 cents per bag. So really great deal. Okay, so for this next step, I'm using my gift bag template. Now, if you want to get access to this, it is in my store. I have it linked in this video. What I'm showing here is the front cover, which is the 7 by 10. It's already measured out, and then it'll have the side design, which is the 5 by 10, so you can put it on the side of the bag. And again, there are 4 different designs you can choose, and they're fully customizable. So let's take this image out, and then I can show you if you have another image, you can just upload it. I'm going to remove the background, and then you can just resize the picture on the page. Okay, so it's very, very simple to customize. Okay, so that was just a quick tutorial on how you can customize the gift bag, add in your own images. Now, you will need a Canva Pro subscription to use this template because the elements inside of here are Pro elements, but you can always sign up for that with a 30-day free trial, or you can replace it and use free elements. It's up to you. Now, for this third step, you have 2 options. Option 1, you can print this directly onto glossy photo sticker paper. That will give you that shiny look. And in order to do that, you will just hit share, download, PNG, and then you will increase the size, and then you will choose the current page, and then you'll download it. Alright, so once you have finished downloading your PNG, you're just going to open it up, and then if you're printing on glossy printer paper, you're just going to follow your steps. For your specific printer, you're going to hit print, and then it's going to bring up the settings, and then you will choose to print this on a glossy photo printer paper. And again, my printer's not working, so I can't show you that step, but I have other videos that show you how I upload the printer settings, but you'll just want to make sure that you print it out. And from that step, once you've printed out the front and back, so you'll need 2 of this label here, and you'll need 2 for the side. Once you print it out, you can stick it directly onto the gift bag. Now, here is option 2. If you don't have a printer, then the next thing you can do is you can print it at CVS or Walgreens. So I just went to CVS, and I went to photos, and then I selected deals. Now, I always want to see what the deals are because, you know, just because it's 11 by 14 today, the 16 by 20 could be on sale next week, next month, you never know. So I always check to see what the deals are first. So right now the deal is 90% off on the 11 by 14 repositionable posters. So this is what I'm going to use. For this step, you will need to put both of the designs, the front and the side, onto the poster to upload to CVS. So since we know that we're using 11 by 14, I'm going to add a page, and I'm going to change the size to 11 by 14. Okay, so now I have the 11 by 14, which matches what CVS has for the poster. Now I'm going to add in the PNGs that we just downloaded. So I'm going to go to uploads and I'm going to upload both of the designs. Okay, so I'm going to grab this first one and then I'm going to reposition it on the page so that it'll fit. And then I'm going to grab the side and I'm going to do the same thing. There we go. Now I want to make sure that this front panel is actually a 10 by 7, or I'm sorry, 7 by 10, and that the side is a 5 by 10. So to do that, I'm just going to go to position, I'm going to go down, and here it says that it's 5.51, so I'm just going to change that a little bit so that it's 5, and this is exactly 10. So now it's the right size. And then this, I'm going to do the same thing, make that a 7 and the height a 10. All right, so now it is exactly what I need to upload into CVS. Now you see how it's going to take 2 posters in order to make my gift bag. So I would just duplicate this once I'm in CVS. But for right now, all you have to do is hit share, download, PNG. We're just going to do the current page and hit done. Okay, so now I'm back on CVS and I'm going to select that I want the posters. So you'll click that, and remember that coupon code, it said repo 90. So we're going to make sure we put that in there. It's very important, or else you'll pay full price. So the next thing is design your own. Then what you'll want to do is make sure you select the right one. We're doing the 11 by 14. This is selected for glossy. And then we're going to hit create now. Okay, so now it's time to import our image. So we're just going to go to photos, get photos, and bring those in from my computer. Okay, so now I'm going to hit select photo and I'm going to grab in the 11 by 14 that has both of the images. All right, so there it is. I'm going to hit done. Okay, so now I'm going to drag it over and then I'm just going to hit full photo. And now you can see that it's inside of the red box. Nothing is going to be cut off. It has the right dimensions. So we're ready to review and pay. Okay, so here is what we have. Again, this is just one front, one side. We need to change the quantity to 2 because you're going to need 2 posters for one bag. And then you'll notice that the price, they're $16.99 each for each poster, so it brought our price up to $33.98. But again, we're going to use this code repo90 and we're going to drop that all the way down. So you'll hit order now. Okay, and it's going to ask you to pick up a location. We're just going to choose a location, and then once it pulls in all the information, you want to make sure you put in your promo code. So we're going to do the repo 90, hit apply, and you see it brought that price all the way down to $3.40 for both posters, about $1.70 per poster. And then with taxes, it'll come out to $3.73. So make sure you use that coupon code. All right, and then from there you just hit checkout, and then you'll go pick up your prints. Now, the one thing that you'll want to make sure that you do is once you have your gift bag, before you actually put the print on there, you'll want to put push through the ribbon. So that's what you'll see me doing here in this part of the video, is that I'm pushing through that black part that holds the ribbon in place. I'm pushing it through the front side, and then I'm gonna reinsert it on the back side. That way the ribbon is on the inside of the bag instead of pushing through the bag itself, so that you can lay your print flat on the front and the back of the bag. All right, and then from there you're just gonna cut with your scissors. If you have a paper cutter, you can use that to make sure you have those perfect lines, but if not, scissors work just fine. And then the next step, once you have it all cut, is you're just going to make sure that it measures onto your bag correctly, peel the back, and then you're just going to place it on top of your bag. And then for the side, you're going to want to make sure that you just kind of push it out with your hand so that it lays flat, so you can actually press it onto the bag nice and smooth. All right, and that is it. So again, if you want the templates, be sure to check the link in my description. Also, make sure that you're following me, because the next thing that I have that I'm going to show are gift boxes. I also use the prints at CVS to make gift box labels, so that's the next video. So as always, thanks for watching. Until next time.